Alright everybody, today we are going to be installing the Alcantara steering wrap for the Model 3, Model Y steering wheel. This won't take long, so in the packet all we have is of course the Alcantara wrap and a little squeegee as well. So a couple of things about this. So first, wash your hands before starting. The Alcantara, if I take it out of the packet, ditch that. It's a little different to work with compared to the vinyl that we're used to. In some ways it's easier, in other ways it's just different. But either way, we're going to make sure your hands are clean. If your steering wheel needs cleaning, then just grab an alcohol wipe or just any kind of gentle cleaner just to clean off the areas where you're going to be applying it. And then on the kit itself, you'll see obviously you have the left, the right, the centerpiece, and then you have a spare piece as well for the left. So we recommend obviously starting with the left piece, because then you kind of get to have a practice run. If it goes bad, you can try again with another piece. So with that, we're going to make a start on the installation. So as mentioned, first bit I'm going to peel off is the left side. It's unavoidable to touch the rear as you do this. That's what she said. But do try to avoid touching these end pieces. Obviously there's not much material, therefore not much adhesive up here, so we want to avoid those as much as we can. So I'm just going to peel it away carefully, slowly. And then, like our steering wraps for the vinyl, your alignment point are the two arrows, and then obviously the scroll wheel as well. So that's where we're going to start. We're not going to worry about anything else. So I'm kind of getting low, just making sure the arrows are peeking out around there, but also looking at the scroll wheel as well. Okay, once you've got that in place, all you really need to do is just use your hand. Now, because this is material, it stretches a little bit, and you need to stretch it. Okay, you need to sort of put it into place where you want it. So I'm just going to gently just pull this around. We'll grab the squeegee in a minute, and hopefully you can see, maybe on this camera, got a nice line up against the bottom there. And then we're going to come across the top here, again sort of pulling it into place just a little bit. And then we're going to come around here. It's a little bit awkward because of all the cameras and stuff that I'm working around, but hopefully you can see that kind of tracks along there pretty nicely. And we're going to grab the squeegee. And this is kind of a nice to have. Honestly, you don't really need to squeegee much here at all, but it just makes sure you've got any bubbles out. And then up here, I actually need to lift that again and just pop that down in the right place. I'm just going to grab that and just sort of steer it into the right spot. There we go. Okay, so that's the first one done. Didn't need to use the spare, which is good. We're going to come over and do the right side. We're going to save the easiest bit for last. So we do the same thing, just look at the kind of the arrows and the scroll wheel. The lighting in here could be a little better, but I think that's pretty good. And I'm going to bring this down and under. Just work that along there. And then come over here and just kind of encourage us around the top here. There is some dimensionality to these plastic pieces, so that's why you kind of do need to put it into place. With vinyl it's a little different, but you do end up sort of stretching into the right location. We're essentially doing the same thing here. And we're going to use the squeegee just to make sure everything's nice and stuck down, but mostly just using your nice clean thumb. We actually had just background information, because It's useful. We actually tested this obviously here in Texas where it gets pretty hot. We also had a customer testing various iterations of this in Arizona where it gets very, very hot. So in terms of weather resistance or endurance to high temperatures, absolutely not a problem at all. Alright, so the last piece, I should have said at the beginning, get your steering wheel level. It just kind of makes, visually makes things easier to deal with, and maybe if it's quite close to you when you drive, just push it back a little bit. So with this bit, we're going to start at the bottom, just kind of place it. Now pay attention just a little bit. Let me unstick my fingers. So there is a gap all the way around this, so we're not going to cover up that gap. We're going to track to the side of the shape of the plastic. So we need some symmetry there, because otherwise it's going to look a bit wonky. So I'm going to start on the bottom, and then as before we're going to kind of just sort of pull it into shape as we go, and then we may end up just unpicking it at the bottom again just to get that to line up properly. Okay, and then we're going to grab our squeegee, which I've put down somewhere. There we go. And this is kind of the only time you really need the squeegee, because we're going to get up underneath the airbag and the horn, and just show it into place. And there you have it. So that is the Alcantara wrap for Model 3 and Model Y steering wheel. Let's just kind of get in some close-ups there. It's a bit dark, but hopefully you can see it's a pretty decent match for the Qi charging spot as well. Alright, thank you for watching.